All right, guys. So now that you have completed your tables, the first data we're going to be entering, and it's the easiest one, is the prices. So the prices of service ID, service type, and the cost. Now, on your spreadsheet section of the SBA, right, the key section, this data is what we're going to enter in the table. So let's go. So LF01, LC02, TT03, TT03, and this one now is PM04, PM04. All right, so this is this management. All right, this is tree trimming, and this is landscaping, lawn. It's supposed to be lawn care. And then this now is landscaping. Good. And then we just enter the money for each one of them. So this one is 40,000. Tree trimming is 36,000. The lawn care is 45,000. And then the first one now, landscaping, is 57,000. All right, and there you go. The first table is completed. All right. So the other table now that needs to be completed is a customer. We're gonna put in, so this section here, on the data, we have the customer's ID, customer's first name, last name. Those information are going to be entered here in this section here. I'm going to give them an address. So I'm going to pause this section here. I'm going to fill up my information here, and I'm going to come back when it's finished and show you what it should look like. All right, so now that I have completed my customers, I think they should have been A, B, not AS. Yeah. All right, so as you can see, my customers' ID numbers, first name and last name. And for the address, I just simply gave them the town and the parish that the town is located. We can't keep it as simple as that. If you want to repeat locations, nothing is wrong with that. All right. So after our customers, then we would have completed our second table. So now we're going over to the payments table. Now for the payments table, we're going to use the pay IDs that we have right here, right? We're going to also use the same customer ID. We're going to put in how much a customer paid and the payment due and the comments. So once again, I'm going to pause the video, then I'm going to return after I finish entering all the information. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm finished entering all my data there for the payments table. So the only table I have remaining now is the jobs table. And for the jobs table, all we need is the customer ID, the service ID that they would have selected that they want, and then the service day that we are going to be doing those. And as I said, it's the same thing from right here. So we're using this service ID right here and the service day right here. So as you can see, we are still using all the data from our spreadsheet. So once again, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna enter all that information in. Yes, I know it's time consuming, but as you know, with spreadsheet with Access, the moment you start typing and finish one record, that data is saved automatically. So we just need to get all of this information within, And then we're going to start working now on our queries, our forms, our report. All right, so this is the last time we're going to be entering the information. And then when we return, we're going to start doing our relationships, queries, and so forth. So I'm going to pause the video again, and then you'll see me after I'm finished entering the data. All right, guys, so we have just finished populating our database. So the jobs table is completed, the prices table is completed, the payments table is completed. Remember, I need to update this to AB. Good. And our customers table is completed. So in the next video now, we are going to be doing our relationships, our queries, our forms, our reports, and we're going to be finished with Access.